I can hear myself. It takes a minute to get the stream up and running. Also, sorry for the delay. It's okay. Also, please do increase the volume. I don't know how much you have to increase, but let's see. Let me just do some admin tasks and we should be good to go. Okay, everything is up and running. We are gonna do what do you say? We are going to do this stream for 10 minutes more than our regular time. Okay, so let me recap what we did yesterday. Worked on we worked on creating this USDT transfer amount sent. Oh, we haven't. Okay, okay, this is not needed. Yesterday we figured out the error. We were trying to fit integer and no, type was integer and we are sending float. So yeah, that's that. Next, now what we should do is we should get yesterday's timestamp, block timestamp, and instead of 0 we'll put that. And I want to create a Sankey graph, so let me Sankey graph. So graph similar to this. I don't know if you guys can see this. Open what should we open image in new tab. Okay, we want to create something like this, but I think it's better. Let's see. Or I'll ask ChatGPT like chat.com. Okay, .com. Chat.com. Switch account. Okay. What kind of graph should I use to show incoming and outgoing token amount from a bridge from a chain? It says time series chart. Let's see. Time series chart. I don't know how that looks. Okay, no. I want stacked. So it does show it gives us area chart, diverging bar chart. So it's this one, I guess. Then stacked bar chart, and first is time series chart. I don't know what that is. but they also show Sankey chart. I guess I want to show, I want to use Sankey and chain, main chain will be in the middle. Also, I know you guys can't see this, but I guess you just have to assume I'm using ChatGPT. Anyway, in the middle, and incoming from chains on left, and outgoing two chains on right. Chains will be, names of chains will be same on both sides, and main chain in middle. Does that work? Short answer, yes, it can be done, but only if you, okay. Okay, cash flow charts. Yeah, I was assuming something similar to this. Okay, we should do this stacked. No, this is not. I guess this is diverging bar chart. Uh, Horizontal. I don't know. What chart is that where you show bar chart above and below x-axis? Okay, diverging bar. We are doing diverging bar chart. We can add what do we call this? A snapshot here. So daily snapshot. Type daily transfer stats. USDC transfer stat. We'll do ID. What should we do here? That's the question. I want all of them. So I want all the chains and along with date. So what we should do is, we will do chain. Okay, source chain ID dash destination chain ID and Unix timestamp. So source chain, destination chain, date, total transfers, total amounts, and total amount received. Yeah, that's about it, right? Float, and this. Okay. Now we want to add it here. So yeah, let's go next here. To do update entity, now we will first create daily snapshot ID equal to source destination. Oh, that works. We do have this. Okay, source destination remove this part. We'll do 1. Okay, for now this is the snapshot ID. Now we want a function that will give us 12 o'clock or 00 for that day. Write a function that returns unique timestamp of 12 a.m. for the given Unix timestamp that can be anywhere in that day. TypeScript start date. Oh, okay. Let's go at the top and paste it here. So it's just taking timestamp that we give it, converting it into date, then changing that date and returning us the number. Let's go here and say const start of day timestamp equal to block.timestamp, and let's use that. Okay, can I? Yes. Next we want get or create. Yes, let's see. We haven't done pnpm codegen. It's working. Okay, hi everyone. Oh, okay. Let me do something. Admin, not related to the stream. Okay, that works. Now what we want to do here, do id snapshot id source chain transfer timestamp 00. Okay, now that works. Next we'll update this. Okay, now go set this. Okay, transferred amount. I don't think transfer won't change here. Oh, it will. We are not doing anything at this point. I don't even know why we are using this. Okay, I guess here we are just tracking amount sent, amount received. We don't want to change amount received here because it's not relevant. And here we do want to set it because in our case, where we are only indexing Ethereum, this will show us what tokens came in instead of you. Hey, hi wisdom. Okay, I was saying we want to set values here because we are only indexing single chain, right? If this was multi-chain, we could have handled everything with this, but right now we will miss the transfers that are coming in because OFT sent event is not emitted from source chain. So that's the idea. What we should do is check if this check if received amount and sent amount is set for this particular event. If not, then set it. If yes, sent amount received. Okay, no, only received should be done here. Yeah, received should be done here. Let's to address, then amount received. This works. I guess my explanation was useful, what I'm trying to say, but if not, let me just ignore that. I'm saying chain 1, so Ethereum, and then we have BSC. Okay, I am confused. Okay, let me show you. So we have OFT sent event here, and which tracks event token sent from this to this. But when we have OFT in multi-chain indexer, OFT sent, if we track only OFT sent event, it's good enough. But this is a single chain indexer right now. OFT received also needs to be indexed, and values needs to be set. Okay, we also want to set chains. Okay, this is weird. Source chain will be, let me look at the event received source EID. Okay, source EID is given. Destination EID, let's copy this. We'll do source chain equal to source EID and destination. So destination is our current chain because we are receiving the event. That's the idea. Now from address, we are not getting from address anywhere, right? Also, sorry about that. Let me zoom in. To address received. Okay, let's keep from address 0. Will be set in event. We can add note as our current indexer is single chain. There can be USDT0 transfers USDT entities that have from address as 0 address. this will be fixed when multi-chain is added. No, multi-chain is added along with support for all chains that USDT0 is deployed on. So even if we miss one chain, there is a possibility from address is not there. Okay, we have added the note. So chain fixed, this is fixed. Okay, what I want to do is check if we have event, no, transfer dot source chain already, or transfer dot destination chain already. If so, don't run this. Don't run this. Okay. Okay. I want inline for both. Both should be inline. Okay. No. Let me copy this. Inline in this object. Transfer keeps the value, uses value only if missing, and final fallback is okay. Okay, it does like if this don't go further, if this then like use that, if not, and then just use 0. What my previous statements do question. Okay, OFT send should always be there first. Yeah. Okay. This is good enough for us, and I think we are doing everything okay. Okay. We also need to do snapshot logic. Total sent will be increased. Total transfers, I don't know if. Okay, total transfers sent and total transfers received. That should be it. Total transfer, transfer, total send transfers and receive transfers. Okay, Yes, PNPM code gen work, that did work. Let's do total send transfers. Change here, total send transfers, total received transfers. Okay, this works. Let's copy this whole thing, paste it here. Don't copy paste in your production code, please do abstractions. Right now, while I'm live on stream, I can't do that, so no, I'm pretty sure I will mess it up, so that's why I'm not doing it. The Yeah, okay, now we'll change this to receive transfers. Okay, amount received, transfer dot amount received. This should work. Now let me just check Etherscan, and block number, that is a day old. View blocks. Let's go, I don't know. Let's go to like page 30. No, 300. Okay, that's good enough. Copy this, go here, change, and let me open my Docker container, Docker application, and I want to do pnpm dev. This should run our indexer, and hopefully there are no issues. Okay, that's good. That's good. I don't know if our logic is correct or not, so let's see. Whatever the snapshot is, daily snapshot, let's take like 10 of those. Daily snapshot stats limit like 100. Let's do ID, date, destination, source, total amount sent, total amount received, total transfer, total sent transfer, and total received transfers. Source chain 0. Okay. Destination chain 10. Okay. This means we are not. Also, I'm pretty sure I did something wrong. Let me snapshot ID. Oh, okay. Snapshot ID shouldn't be 1. It should be start of the day TS. Let's copy this and go up here. Source chain. Let's take individual transfers to understand. USDT for transfers, limit, let's say 10. Remove everything. Let me do amount sent, amount received, then source chain, so from and to address, from to address. Let's run it, and everywhere source chain is 0. Okay, I guess this logic is wrong. We are doing like event dot chain ID. Okay, event dot chain ID is correct. I guess we use this. Okay, also, if you guys can't see this, let me know. The browser, that's weird. Um, because I haven't zoomed in, so I can. Okay, this is correct. Do truth table for both. Okay, let me run this again and see. Also, running this again is pretty simple because there are only 400 events. So let's run this. Okay, both are 0. That's weird. Can we do like first? We have 009. Okay, we do need some logic improvements because let me think. Source chain, there should be some source chain which we are messing up. We can see. Okay, thanks for confirming, Wisdom. Let's see. I am messing up logic somewhere here. Okay, let me copy this. Do if else, no, do one if I get falsy value from any of them. Okay, here at the top we'll do if eid dot chain event id is undefined, one unknown chain, and if undefined, let's do and see if we get some warnings. Terminal UI off, true. With that we should be able to see the warnings. Okay, that's unknown chain. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, okay, now I get it. We can't do this event.chain id because we are mapping this, right? How to find key from value if I have this record. Okay, this is a simple function that we should use here. So what we'll do this. For bigger records that's not possible or feasible, so just keep that in mind. Same event.chain id. Okay, now destination, we'll keep the destination, and in this we'll keep the source. Is it source? Okay, we are still getting that. Okay, this is 00, which is not good. 3. Okay, we don't need this. That's wrong. We just need to use chain id. I don't even know why we we were using that record to get chain id when we already have it. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, somewhere we do have 00, which is not ideal. We can do if eid to chain is undefined. No, console dot warn unknown destination eid, and here we'll do unknown source EID. Let's see. All this should be done in test by writing the tests, but I don't want to, so we are not gonna. Okay, there are no warnings. Can we do like if not? Warn me if. Okay, let's just remove this. Do we really need it? If we get an error, we can figure it out. Here, remove the warning and remove the zeros. There is no need for zeros. If we get error, we know we messed up somewhere. And at this point, zero dash zero. Okay, we do have two. Sorry, we do have two entries where we are messing up chain IDs, and I don't know where they're coming from. PNPM Envio stop. It clears everything. Now we can do PNPM code, PNPM dev, which will do everything else for us. Okay, in our logic we are, and this is like a big amount. This is not a small one, and it's all on receive transfers. Copy. We are modifying them in received. Okay. And they should only received destination chain is okay. I know we are having issue at this point where we are setting up destination chain ID, but destination chain ID is already 0. So this is saying okay, it's not undefined, so I'm gonna set it as 0. I want to check if it's 0, then go ahead, use this. Yeah. Is equal to 0, question mark. I don't know if this logic is correct, but we'll see what happens. There should be some improvement, and we should not get this. Zero dash. Okay, and dash 0. Yes, we do have everything now. Now we just need to visualize this in I don't know, what should we call this? Also, can I do where id contains, or no, id write GraphQL query which has where I get entries which has id which has this string in id field. We don't have id. We have what we have. We have equal to. We have underscore regular expression underscore regular irregular expression, which I don't know how to use. Okay, we can do regular expression and say this, and let's run it to see. Okay, that's cool. Now we can copy this, show me okay, this is not useful, because you see we have two different things. We need to change the id format where source and destination stays the same. Let me show you where id snapshot, right? Source destination, we are in the okay, here we'll change this to destination chain and this to source chain. What happened? No, source as source chain. This should be useful, and we will get lesser entries now. Dash one dash one dash one dash. Okay, that's good. This is good. Let me quickly set up Python snippet. Write Python snippet that creates what was the Diverging bar chart. Okay. Diverging bar chart where it calls GraphQL API with fetch. I will give query and endpoint, but here is the data. I want sent amount on top and received amount on bottom. So we can, let me open Marimo. So Marimo, edit, visualize data .py. Okay, sorry, not here. We want to see it here. If you don't know what Marimo is, it's basically a Python notebook similar to Jupyter notebook, but much better. I don't know much if it's much better or not, but its UI is better compared to Jupyter notebook. So let's change. Get this. And our endpoint. What is our endpoint? Okay, I really don't know what's the endpoint. It's localhost 8080. I think yes. HTTP :/ localhost 8080 / GraphQL. We can check in Hasura. The endpoint should be there. Testing. Yes. Okay. V1. Let me close this. Go here. Switch this. And next. Let's run it. Okay. There is no issue. Python. I don't think that there will be an issue here also. When we visualize it, at that point we'll start getting issues. Add. And finally, let me run everything. And finally, we'll visualize it. Okay, this is good enough. We can't actually see anything. Change which function is this? Plot diverging bar chart to show graph above and below x-axis. Okay. Oh, first time hearing about this. We'll try it out. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's. I'll also share the Marimo site. Marimo. This one. Copy link. I have added it in the chat. And also show amounts in log, not. Okay, we'll change this function. we also need to import numpy. Numpy is let's run it. Okay, you guys can see this. Hopefully, again, I don't know why it's showing double everything. Oh, okay. 196.30. We need to think about this part where 30 to 1 is there, but it should be 1 to 30 every time. But I guess this is good enough for us right now. We'll see how this goes. Tomorrow we'll debug this part and figure out why we are getting all this. But anyway, we have this graph, and that's good enough for us. Let's see. Okay. Thanks for joining this stream. Hopefully you will be here tomorrow and you are enjoying what I'm doing and working with Envio. If you haven't saw Envio yet, check this out. Also, disclaimer, I do work at Envio, which is an indexing service, and I do like to work with product that we are building, and I'm also a fan of this product a lot, a big fan of this product. So that's why I do these streams, talking about Envio, talking about blockchain data, and the projects I'm interested in. So yeah, thanks for joining the stream and looking forward to seeing you here tomorrow. Cool. Have a nice day and